Hello everyone. Today we are going to understand type erasure in generics. So what happens once we write the generic code and the compilation is done? So do the T, K, V, etc. stay in the bytecode or what happens? That is what is type erasure. So what Java does is basically it removes all these types that you have mentioned and it replaces with the bound, the upper bound, or if there is no upper bound, then it replaces it with the object. So in this example of data store, this will be replaced with object comma object. Then this would be object key, object value, and this method would be object key, object value. So this is how the bytecode would be generated. And in this case, where we have provided the upper bound, so in this case, this will be replaced with number. Even in this case, here it will be number. So here it will be number, number, number. So this is type erasure in Java. So it exists only at compile time. So generics only existing at compile time. And there is one more thing, concept basically. Let's understand with this example of bridge method. Say I have a parent class which is taking a type t. Now there is a method get value. It is returning t. Now I create a child class which is extending parent of string, and I override this method get value, and I put here the type as string. This is fine here. This will compile. This will run. But what will happen? See, if you look here, what will happen after the compilation? Like I told you, this t it doesn't have any bounds. So this will become something like this. The compilation. This will become like object. Object. Now, if you look at this method which we have overridden, here the return type is object and here return type is string. So we are not actually overriding it properly. So this is the problem that may occur after the compilation. To take care of that, what JVM does or the compilation process does, it creates a bridge method. So what it will do is, it will create a bridge method, something like this. It will be very similar to this override object get value, return get value. So this is break plus synthetic, and it will internally call the child's get value. So this is the concept of bridge method. So this is generated by the compiler after type erasure to preserve polymorphism. It ensures that overriding methods continue to work at the runtime. So these are the two important concepts of type erasure. And after type erasure, there may be need of bridge methods. Also, if you look at this example, see there is a list of integer. We are adding a value here. We are getting that value. After type erasure, like I told you, what it will do is it will rewrite this code like this. It will use the typecasting. So after type erasure, the equivalent code would be like this. List of list equals new list. List dot add p integer num, and we are doing the typecasting, whatever value you're getting from this. And one more thing, let me demo you. So you can check what is being generated in the bytecode. So this is my child class, and if you look here, there is one. See, this is the method public object get value. It has been created, and it flags as bridge and asynthetic. Sorry. This is what the bridge method does after type erasure. And see here, it is calling get value of child class that we have seen in this example. Hopefully this concept is clear. Thank you so much.